Hi, my name is Melissa and I am the bakery manager here at the Ashland Market of Choice. We make great lattes here at Market of Choice. We offer a ton of different alternative milks and there is no extra charge. Soy milk is a great option for people that can't have dairy. It has a smooth, creamy texture and it has a very neutral flavor. Almond milk has a smooth, creamy texture like the soy milk, but it has kind of a nutty flavor to it. But it's great when you steam it, has the perfect microfoam. Coconut milk is a great option if you're looking for a very distinct flavor. It's a little bit sweeter than the rest and it's also thinner than the oat, the soy, and the almond. Rice milk is a great option for people that have nut, dairy, or soy allergies. It has a great smooth texture and it has a sweet flavor. Hemp milk has a higher protein content than all of the other alternative milks, has a slightly nutty flavor, and it's a thinner consistency, so it dissolves easily into the coffee. If you're lactose intolerant and you really miss that whole milk in your lattes, I would suggest to go with the oat milk because it's very thick, it's creamy, it steams great, and it's the most similar to your whole milk. If you are craving a delicious pick-me-up, stop in at your local market and we will whip you up the perfect drink.